Hello everyone, I'm Product Manager Brian from IEI, and I'm going to introduce our AI Smart Automation solution and also the new to market smart, single board computer. And first let's see the AI Smart solution. And first is a factory safety application. And here is the factory monitoring system, which can monitor the intrusion and also restrict area. The left side is the restrict area monitoring, and if some people stay in this area, it will frame you up and show your stay time, and to monitor these people's action. And the right side is the intrusion, and if people cross the red line, and also it will track your path. And this demo is run in the Tank 70 AI and with Mustang V100 MXA, which are certified by the Intel. And the other demo is the AI in the automation. It's the AI workload consolidation. We run the two different demo on the ITG 100 AI and also the Mustang MPCIe MX2. And we have two demos. The first one is the people counting. We run this demo on the Mini PCIe MX2 VPU accelerator. And also we run the car plate tracking and also the car color tracking. This workload is run in the integrated GPU, so we can run two different demo in the one machine with two different accelerators. And then is industrial PoE solution, and it's the AlphaLux 3 panel PC series, which based on the Intel Upper Lake platform. And the key feature is the AlphaLux 3 series is IP64 waterproof, and also it supports the M.2 AE key for Wi-Fi installation, and also M.2 BM key for storage. And the most important is the power supply is via the PoE switch. It's follow the IEEE 802.3 protocol, and it also can support up to 90 watt power supply. And then the last one is a new to market single board computer. From lower to up is a Nano ULT5 and also Kino DH310, and then the PCIe Q370. And Nano ULT5 is Epic size equipped with S generation, and also available with i7, i5, i3, and Celeron SKU of CPU. And we support dual channel DDR4 up to 32 GB. The key feature is USB 3.1 Gen 2, which is 2 times faster than USB 3.1 Gen 1. And with 3 independent display with HDMI, LVDS, and also DP. And also there are 2 M.2 A key and M key. And A key is support the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi, and M key is supporting the storage. And there are another mini PCIe for the wireless, such as 2G or 3G or 4G signal. And also they have SPI TPA interface connector to support the security. And the other upper is a Kino DH310, which is a mini ITX form factor. And also it supports M.2 A key and M key, and A key for the Wi-Fi and the M key for the storage. And we have integrated PCIe 16 slot on board. And like we have 2 HDMI display and also support USB 3.1 Gen 1. And then it can support the 4K solution for HDMI display. And lastly, we have a PCIe Q370 HDMI single board computer. And we have a PCIe Q370 is already mass production. And this is a new skill for the dual port HDMI display. And the last is our Mustang AI series. We have a core of VPU, which is a Mustang V100 MXA, and Mustang V100 MX4 with a 4-core VPU. And also we have a mini card, mini PCIe, and the M.2 skill, which has 1-core or 2-core mini VPU on board. And that's all we have here. Thank you.
QNAP Face is a facial recognition application which uses the smart image technology, and it's based on the Intel OnVINO technologies, so it can use different hardware resources like CPU, GPU, or VPU to accurately or quickly recognize person from the QNAP Pro stream or RTSP stream. And when QNAP Face analyzes the live stream, and it can label the VIP or the VIP person or the VIP group. And also, it can, if you register these people, you can recognize these people in the video live stream. And finally, you can get this kind of report. This kind of report and face information and the event can be sent to the QNAP Pro or third party via API. And this kind of the information can be used in the retail base. The retail store can use this kind of the information to decide what kind of the recommendation or the coupon they give the consumer. And also, this kind of the information can be used in the electrical signage. They can decide what kind of the advertisement to be shown. Depends on the various viewers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Jeffrey Chen from the QNAP IoT team. Today I'm gonna introduce to you the industrial IoT solution from QNAP, QIoT Suite. As you may know, when we are working on the digital transformation for industrial, the first few steps are data collection, data processing at the edge, and the data visualization. At the data collection stage, since we want to have a better understanding of the factory operation, so we want to collect the sensor data for the factory environment and the manufacturing machine and the other industrial device. The QIoT Suite support MQTT, HTTP, and the CoAP protocol. This protocol are usually supported by those environment sensor, for example, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and the CO2, etc. And in the new version of the QIoT, we start to support the OPC UA protocol. This protocol is widely supported by the industrial PLC and the manufacturing machine. As an OPC UA client, the QIoT Suite can connect to the those industrial PLC and get the information for the manufacturing machine. After we collect the data, we need to process the data. For the data processing, the QIoT provides a rule engine, so you can define your rule, how you want to process the data. For example, you can set a threshold to trigger the event or trigger another device. Or you can store the data locally, or you can transfer or send the data to other systems. For example, you can send the data to the public cloud or to HMI, SCADA, MES system. For the data visualization, QIoT provides many dashboard widgets, so you can create your customized dashboard to visualize the data you collected. One more advantage for QIoT Suite is it can help you to simplify your industrial network connection. You can see this diagram. If you have many PLC from different vendors and and the various systems like the HMI, SCADA, MES. So think about it, that you're gonna have a very complicated network connection, but with QLT suite, it can help you to centralize the data. So your system, like the HMI or SCADA, they just need to send a request to QLT to request the data. So in summary, the QLT suite Lite is an easy to use tool to let you to create your first IoT or IIoT application.